Ever wondered why learning .NET seems like a mountain too steep to climb? Today, we're about to change that perspective. Welcome to a tutorial that's going to demystify .NET, making it as simple as ABC. To kick things off, think of .NET as a framework developed by Microsoft, allowing developers to create a variety of applications. From desktop applications to web services, .NET is a versatile tool in the world of programming. Now, the first challenge most people encounter while learning .NET is understanding its architecture. .NET's architecture is like a well-organized library. It's divided into three main layers: the common language runtime, the framework class library, and the application layer. The common language runtime is the engine that manages the execution of .NET programs. The framework class library is a collection of reusable classes, interfaces, and value types. And the application layer is where developers write their code. The second hurdle is getting comfortable with C#, the primary language for .NET. Now, C# may seem daunting at first, but think of it as a hybrid of C and Java. It's a statically typed language with a syntax similar to C, and an object-oriented model like Java. Once you've got the hang of the architecture in C#, the next step is understanding how to work with databases using ADO.NET. ADO.NET is a set of computer software components that programmers use to access data and data services. It's a part of the base class library that's included with the Microsoft .NET framework. It's commonly used by programmers to access and modify data stored in relational database systems. After getting a grip on ADO.NET, it's time to dive into ASP.NET, the part of .NET used for building web applications. ASP.NET makes it easier for developers to build robust, interactive, and scalable web applications. Finally, we will look into MVC, or Model View Controller. MVC is an architectural pattern that separates an application into three main logical components. It's a way to organize your code in a way that allows for efficient development and scalability. In summary, the journey of learning .NET involves understanding its architecture, getting comfortable with C#, working with databases using ADO.NET, building web applications with ASP.NET, and organizing your code using MVC. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. With patience, practice, and persistence, .NET will become second nature. This tutorial aims to break down the complexity of .NET into digestible bits, making the learning process less daunting and more enjoyable. So, if .NET has been on your to-learn list, today is the day to start. Happy coding!